how to connect hosting or email to Google Workspace. So we have some sort of step-by-step method which is made by the official hostinger. So this should be reliable for you if ever you want to do so, of course. So if you use hosting or email and then purchase the Google Workspace email service, you can migrate the content of your previous mailboxes by accessing your Workspace webmail. So, if you use a different email service than hosting or email, you can follow the same steps to import your emails, ensuring you use your mail server configuration details instead. So once there, click on the settings icon and select see all settings. Next, go to the accounts and import tab, locate the import mail and contact section, and then click on import mail and contacts. In the pop-up window, enter the following information: the email address you want to import from, the password for your previous email address, the mail server configuration details. So your POP username, POP server, edit the port and set it to 995, and mark checkbox for use SSL. So again, step 1 is to sign into your other email account over here. Then just pretty much continue once it's all done. You can select the desired import options, and when all is good to go, just click on Start Import. Once the import process is completed, all your messages will be available in your new Google Workspace email account. And again, if you cannot locate the import mails and contacts option, make sure to enable it from the Google Workspace admin control panel. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.